I'm getting quite a few reports of sleet and freezing rain around the area now. Atlanta on the south side of Lafayette reporting sleet kind of coating the ground now. We're getting freezing rain reported in Clinton County. Amanda over in Attica reporting a shower of heavy sleet and freezing rain. And thanks to Chris over in Tipton, freezing rain and 32 right now. So a little bit of icing going on. You can see where the pinks are at. That's where we're getting a little light sleet and freezing rain like we were talking about at 6 o'clock tonight. And you can see the temperatures I've overlaid on Precision running about 29 to about 33 degrees. And I don't want to forget Bill down there in Crawfordsville reporting some cold rain at 33 and still 29 up towards Morocco, Winnemac, and also 30 at Mariann's at Remington. Now I'm going to step off the screen and get rid of this temperature data here, and we're going to kind of broaden out a little bit and take a look at just where the heaviest of the action is at. We're going to broaden out a little bit here, and you can see on Precision as we get a little bit wider, the flow of moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico moving due off to the northeast, and also a lot of rain filling in here in the plains as our storm system begins to head our way out of California. And this is going to be a broad system with a lot of nasty weather for at least parts of the Midwest. Now let's go to FUTURECAST here, and we can see that snow and a little bit of sleet and freezing rain here overnight. There's 4 a.m. Pink is some of that icing. Blue is some of that light snow falling across the area. Notice temperatures still running in the 20s at that point. Now by 9 o'clock in the morning, still at or below freezing over the most of the area. Some icing going on, a little snow up towards Rochester. Still a little icing even at 2, but finally we start getting that warm air in later in the afternoon, and I think a lot of this freezing rain will begin to change to pure rain as we get into tomorrow night. But tonight and early tomorrow morning, some of that sleet and snow will accumulate. Lafayette and points north, half-inch or less for most of you, though up towards Rochester, Winnemac, Fair Oaks, and up towards Morocco, a half-inch to an inch of sleet and snow may accumulate. And icing, again, the worst of it's going to be north. Again, up to 1/4 of an inch of ice tonight and tomorrow from Rochester towards Morocco, 1/8 of an inch from Royal Center here at near Monticello and Kentland, and then less than that as you head south, 1/8 of an inch or less. And then once it changes to rain, heavy rain at that with a lot of wind, a good 1 to nearly 2 inches of rain area-wide that will cause localized flooding. So by Wednesday night, you can see all the rain around the area with a lot of wind. Rain on Christmas Eve with a lot of wind, a cold rain at that. But by Christmas Day, rain ends and some of these scattered snow showers arrive, especially afternoon and evening, and there could be a little minor accumulation on some of the grassy surfaces. So tonight, though, 28, little light snow, sleet, and some freezing rain. Breezy out of the east. Tomorrow, 34, little light sleet, freezing rain, but finally changing to all rain from south to north and some pretty gusty east winds. All rain, but windy on Thursday, 1 to 2 inches, and finally some scattered snow showers on Christmas Day, especially afternoon and evening. A little minor accumulation before it turns much colder and another system heads our way by early.